Hi ladies and gentlemen, back here at Done Right Alarms. It's been a while since I posted a video up or actually did anything this unusual. It's a 2014 E-450, which is the E series from Ford. They wanted to add a keyless entry remote starter to their vehicle or box truck, whatever you want to call it. So I went ahead and added a Excalibur RS350 EDP Plus keyless entry with remote starter, so it gets the lock unlock, parking light confirmation for all your commands. So you get lock, parking lights flash, unlock. Also you get the factory horn just like a factory vehicle. You get the remote starter. Parking lights come on. Shortly about after that, 10 seconds, the car will start. You can actually lock and unlock the doors. Also has a safety feature, which is brake disable, so if somebody hits the brake, the car will actually physically turn off. Once again, this is Done Right Alarms. You can reach me at 219-554-5500. Thank you for watching.